Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to change the theme, we need to either go to themes over here, so you should be able to find the themes app. You can open also the app drawer in order to find themes. Or if you cannot find it, you can go to the settings, and then in the settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find themes as well. Now over here you will find a bunch of different themes. Most of them are free over here. And if you find something that you like, let's say I'm gonna choose this one, then what you can do is simply press download. Now we need to wait for the theme to be downloaded, then we can press apply, and we have theme applied. So now if I go back, you will see that my theme has changed. You can see that the icons are changed, the wallpaper is changed, everything is pretty much updated. If you want to go back to the default theme, then what you can do is go back to the themes. So let's go themes, then switch to my account at the bottom, then go to themes over here, and here you can choose back the classic one. Press apply, and there we go, theme applied. We have our theme back. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.